here. And tonight we got a special Safe and Sane demo for you. But before we go and talk about the firework, say hello to the one, the only, your favorite retired military veteran, Sergeant Pyro!
Hello!
Sergeant Pyro, I love when you're with BBQ Rando when we do these special fountains from Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com,
oh, yeah,
for all your safe and sane firework needs in Arizona, New Mexico. Hey, you're over in California. Get on over now. We're going to be opening up real soon for New Year's Eve. So come on. The holiday's starting. What do we got tonight?
We got a Sherman tank, and right overhead are some P-51 Mustangs.
There you go. I didn't even know that. So see, it's great about having a professional with us and a veteran of 3 decades. Now, this is telling us right here, this is, by the way, this is in a corrugated box. So you can see the caution. This is always a good tip, right? Always have to sometimes soak them with water even after you soak them the first time. So we're going to flip around here. Here we go. Now, okay, here we go. So we got the artwork. Here it is. So let me zoom in a little bit. All right. So a rotating, awesome. Rotating fountain with golden to silver fountains, blue pistol, then silver fountains with red pistol and finale there, Sergeant Pyro.
Whoa.
All right. Yeah, we're gonna zoom out a little bit. He's going around. There it is. Excellent artwork. There's the back of it. A lot of nice tape. Thank you, Sergeant Pyro. Now, this again, you can get these at santanfireworks.com. Santan Fireworks for all your safe and sane firework needs in the beautiful state of Arizona. Let them know BBQ Rando sent you. All right, now, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready? I gotta move out of the light. Are you ready to take this monster out to the street pad?
I am.
Let's go! All right, now, Sergeant Pyro and I actually took this out of the box, which you have to do. This is sitting on a stand, and that puppy will spin. A little wind hits it, it's gonna spin. So Sergeant Pyro, let's go ahead and light her. Okay, we're getting back. We're getting back. This is gonna be so, whoa! Whoa! That is freaking, if it takes off, we're in trouble. Holy Santan Fireworks, baby. That is the coolest thing. I thought the last one was, whoa! Holy shit. We got back about 10 feet. That is so wicked. Wow, look at the red flame in the middle. Oh, it's slowing down like, whoa. Holy, we're gonna zoom in on, that was so breathtaking cool. Look at it. It's still going. We can't leave. We might be here a while for this one. All right, it's slowing down.